Top 7 sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin which is found in a large variety of fruits and vegetables. It is a well-known powerful antioxidant and even plays an important role in maintaining skin health and our immunity. Vitamin C is even vital for collagen synthesis, connective tissue, bone, muscles, teeth and blood vessels. Our human body cannot synthesize or store vitamin C, hence it's necessary to consume it in sufficient amounts regularly. If vitamin C is not consumed regularly, then various vitamin C deficiency symptoms may occur, like bleeding gums, poor wound healing, weak immune system, anemia and scurvy. There are a variety of food sources enriched with vitamin C. So let's discuss fruits rich in vitamin C. 1. Plum. Cactus plum, richest source of vitamin C and contains 100 times more vitamin C as compared to oranges, containing up to 5,300 mg per 100 mg. It is even rich in potassium, vitamin E and various antioxidants which is beneficial for our skin and immune system. 2. Guava. This pink-fleshed tropical fruit contains around 200 mg of vitamin C in a single piece, which is nearly double that of orange, and it is even rich in the antioxidant lycopene. 3. Oranges. Oranges are widely eaten around the world and make a significant portion of dietary vitamin C intake. Oranges provides about 76 mg of vitamin C, which is vital for our immune system, connective tissue, heart and blood vessel health. 4. Acerola cherries. It is believed that just 1/2 cup of these cherries provides ample vitamin C, and its extracts even have cancer-fighting properties. Thus it should be present in our diet as it is highly beneficial for our skin and body. 5. Kiwis. Kiwis provide 71 mg of vitamin C to our body and even helps in reducing oxidative stress, lowers cholesterol and boosts the immunity. It even plays a role in increasing blood circulation of our body. 6. Red and yellow bell peppers. Red and yellow peppers contain a huge amount of antioxidants that maintains heart health and plenty of vitamin C, which helps in boosting collagen synthesis and preventing lung cancer. 7. Strawberries. Strawberries provides about 89 mg of vitamin C and rich in antioxidants. These prevent cancer, vascular diseases, dementia and diabetes. It even lowers the blood cholesterol level in our body, reduces blood vessel inflammation and prevents heart diseases. Vitamin C deficiency diseases. Vitamin C plays a vital role in performing various important functions in our body. But, if a proper requirement of vitamin C is not met, then it may lead to various diseases. The most common vitamin C deficiency is bleeding gums, also known as scurvy. Other include fatigue, depression and connective tissue disorders like gingivitis, internal bleeding, delayed wound healing, joint pains, nosebleeds, dry skin and splitting hair. Vitamin C products. Vitamin C is highly essential for our body, and apart from the presence of vitamin C in fruits and vegetables, it is even present in some other forms in ointments, face washes, toners, serums and even in form supplements. Vitamin C serums for skin are highly common these days, and it boosts collagen synthesis and contains a huge amount of antioxidants which helps in bringing out brighter, clearer and smoother skin. These serums even protect us from harmful radiations of sun and free radicals. It lifts away dark spots and gives rise to even more glossy and brighter toned skin. It rejuvenates dull and lifeless skin and helps in bringing back life to it. Such vitamin C serum prevents and reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Thus vitamin C is vital for our body functions and skin. Not getting enough of vitamin C can even lead to various problems, but overconsumption is also harmful. Daily requirement of vitamin C in adults is around 65 to 90 mg. However, the maximum amount of vitamin C can be taken is 2,400 mg. By eating some of the fruits mentioned above each day, your need can be fulfilled appropriately. A balanced diet rich in vitamin C is an essential step towards good health, glowing skin and disease prevention. So this is all about sources of vitamin C. Thank you for watching. Experience healthy skin and hair.